Hi everyone, today I am going to install Google Chrome in Kali Linux. Hope you all Kali users preferred it and gain a little bit of knowledge from me. Let me introduce, I am Navij. You watch my video from RamjiKa TechInfo to YouTube. Hope you all concentrate and accept. So let's go. Now this file is present in desktop. Now open your terminal in desktop. Now type cd desktop. And this is file name. At first copy, then type dpkg -i, then paste file name, hit enter. When this process is completed, then type apt-get install -f. Now apt-get install -f. Now Google Chrome is installed. Now it is not running, so follow my steps. Open your computer. Then Google Chrome. Here is type no-sandbox. This file is modified, so save. Then open. Now it's running. You see my video, if it is helpful, so like, share and subscribe. This video is 100 like so quickly like